Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Hiswa. I am going to start subject Geography of Standard 7, and this is second video lecture on the topic Air, Chapter 4. Dear students, we have already discussed yesterday about the composition of air, and we came to know about that there are different composition of air within our atmosphere. And what is atmosphere? The layer of air that surrounds our earth, that is known as air, or the blanket, like the structure that covers around the earth. As I have yesterday I have shown you the pictures. Now we will know that what are the structure of atmosphere, that within that atmosphere we are surviving our life. Then what is the structure of that atmosphere? So we will know it by step. So basically there are 5 layers that are from our ground level to the top level, and basically these are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay, so basically if you will move out in the higher classes, then you will read it the extended forms. Okay, and roundly this is given here of 5 types. So here the troposphere, basically we will see here that all the phenomena within the cloud. It means the rain is there, the fog is there, the hailstorm is there. This all happens within the troposphere. Okay, so basically it is about of 13 kilometer. It means from the ground level up to the 13 kilometer the troposphere is existed there. Okay, and basically the different type of you have seen the natural phenomena is on troposphere. Next is stratosphere. So above the troposphere there is stratosphere. So there these type of phenomenons are free and it is extended up to 50 kilometers. So there is this layer is free from the cloud, fog. Okay, so here we used to fly our planes. So you will whenever you will anywhere you will go through the flight, then you will find that after the takeoff, the flight is about 50 kilometers or in mid of the 50 kilometers, because that area is free from the cloud. So it's a amazing thing. Okay, now you will come to know. And the stratosphere is also the layer which contains the important ozone layer. Okay, the ozone layer, how it protect us from the harmful rays. That's why this troposphere and stratosphere, this is basically attached to our life as the human beings are using it. Okay, next is about mesosphere. So this is the third layer of the atmosphere and it extends up to 80 kilometers. And the meteorites, you can say that all the asteroids which ever used to strike between them, and some part of that is used to fall down, okay, toward the earth. So within that after it passes through the thermosphere, it gets fired due to the rubbing. Okay, and it get fired, and further within entering the mesosphere, it used to be burned totally, and further these used to be stuck at there because due to the atmosphere. Okay, and while this used to doesn't enter into our spaces. Okay, next is thermosphere. Basically the therm, it means heat. So this sphere is basically related to the temperature, and this sphere contains the more temperatures, because that's why it is nominated as thermosphere. And ionosphere, that is also part of this layer, and it extended between 80 kilometers to 400 kilometers. Okay, and the radio transmission H, you will see the satellites, the radio transmissions. It means the frequency of the radio, like 101.1 megahertz. So these are the frequencies that are set up to this thermosphere, that is extended up to 400 kilometers. Okay, and the radio waves, these are transmitted from the earth, are reflected back to the earth by this layer. It means this is happened due to the thermosphere. Next it is exosphere. As the names comes in our mind, then it means that the exosphere, it means exit out. After that sphere, we considered that after that sphere there is the different layers, but those layers are not considered by the human beings. Okay, and that is why the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, that is known as exosphere. Okay, and the layer has thin layer like the light gases, like the hydrogen, heliums. These are the light gases, and basically these are the part of the exosphere, as well as these are floating in these layers of the atmosphere. So here what you have seen, that by these different layers, what we have found here, that if these layers could not be there, then we cannot assume our life. And this layer is proved that human being is too much intelligent, that it is using each and every natural resources. Okay dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.